welcome to Kyla's Wildlife, and we're in Central Park in New York, and today I'm in a tree and we're gonna go bug hunting and also see some birds. And also, while I was on the tree before we were doing it, come here, follow me. I found a squirrel. See the two squirrels? You see those twitching in the trees? Those twitching, you see the twitching tail? And there's like two in there and twitching their tails. And now, let's just begin bird hunting. Rocks kind of made this, formed this mountain, and also over time, a long time ago. But, ooh, here's the perfect spot. Come with me. So, I'm gonna take the camera from the cameraman, and I wanted to say, up here are some beautiful birds, and oh, I see one right now. You see it right there, which is topping around? There he goes, right in the tree. Let's climb up the rocks. Ooh, you see the birds? I think they're nesting. You want to come in close? Oh, you see? That bird was just in that little hole. Guys, I see a little injured bird or something. Oh, he was just playing dead. One of them was just lying on its wing. It was just playing dead. There's a bird. And now let's see if we can. Oh, and there's another one right there. It's like kind of. Oh. I don't know if you can see them, but let's try getting really close. Yep, do you see them? Oh, there's still one. It's a little baby or something. I don't know. Oh, they're adorable. Okay, let's go down here and see the tree. There might be some more little birds hanging on the tree. There might even be some squirrels, and there's some birds mating there. Oh, there's one big bird. So the same type of bird we just saw just a minute ago. And he, I think, is the mom. Oh, and a squirrel. Come here, baby. Let's go under the branch and look at the squirrel. Come on, let's follow her. Oh, there she goes. She's on a tree. Now let's try going on the tree and trying to find her. Oh, there's a bird. Okay, let's try finding her. Okay, let's play hide and seek. Ooh. Where did she go? Huh? Where's that little baby squirrel? Oh, she's back here. Where did she go?
Right there.
Where?
Right here. Look. She's hiding from it.
Where?
Okay. She's on the other side. She's hiding. Oh, that's up.
Where did she go? Oh, sorry, folks. But she's not hiding. But we might be able to show her.
Oh. Nope. She went further up.
Yep, she went further up. Sorry. Okay, oh, here's some birds. They're all eating over here and digging in the dirt. Look at all of them. Look at all the finches. They're having fun. Hi, birdies. You know how this is a bird video? Oh, squirrel. You guys can see the squirrel? Oh, there she goes. Oh, she's hiding. Snake. See her? She just climbed up the tree. Oh, there she is. Okay. She came this way. Oh, you missed it. But, oh, there's some birds stalking over here, trying to find some worms. Ooh, guys, let me know in the comments, what do you think made these holes? You think some dog, there's dogs in these parks, but look it, and there's a bird right there, but I don't know what made those holes. Tell me in the comments. There's a bird. Maybe we can walk around, try to find, what? Let's come over here near the park. There might be some dogs, so let's try. It's also been known that there's coyotes. So I think that they're going to be close, but here, let me give the camera back to the cameraman so he can film me. Okay, so cameraman, you think you can film me from over here when I go across the fence? Okay. Wait, look it. Oh, I thought that was a grape. But there's actually. Okay. Let's see what. Squirrel! Come over here. I'm gonna try chasing him to you. Film me, Mama. Film me. Come here, baby. Okay. So let's come over here. It's steep. Here I found a little baby squirrel. Hi! You want a nut? You want a nut? Where's a nut? I already found one of your sister, and she didn't want a nut, but do you want a nut? You want a nut? You want a nut? You want a nut? Come here. Come here. Okay, so I'm going to take the camera and show you around and maybe show you the squirrel climbing. So I'm going to show you. She might be still there. Let me just doing the calling signals. Oh, there she is. Let's try getting closer. Yep, you can see her. I think this is as close as we can get. She's wild. And you see a little bird next to her. Hi, baby. There she goes. I know you've never seen a camera before. There she goes. Let's leave her alone because she's scared. She's never seen a camera before, but let's come over here. I see some peelings. There might be some crickets here. We're eating on the peelings. Any ladybugs? I think ladybugs don't live in New York, but if they do, tell in the comments. I don't really know much about ladybugs. but let's come over here uphill. All you can see is just all this gross stuff. It's kind of gross, and all these flies zooming everywhere. There's just lots of peelings. Sorry, we're in New York, so there's supposed to be lots of police. Or am I getting caught by the police? I don't know. But I better get down here because I might get caught. But let's come this way. Let's come down and let's go on a trail. And here's my mom, and well, known as the cameraman. And let's kind of come down here on the trail. We might find some things. Whew. It's a hill. Let's try to get far away from the noise. Sorry, it's really loud in New York. Ooh, over here, there's some bike riders and also some birds. We might try to find some cicada shells. Do you think we could climb up there? Ooh, there's some birds up there. We should climb up there. Cameraman, can you hold? So I'm gonna crawl over here. Oh, wait, we can't do it? We might not be able to do it. But let's come over here, and there's lots of wonderful birds here. Ooh, wow, there's a little creek. I wish we could go down there and see if there's any minnows, but there might not. I don't know, but come on, let's go over here to the creek. Let's go over here to the creek and cross the bridge. Ooh! Can't bring the camera here. Look what I found. Oop! There she went. She was right on the bar. What? What, Mama?
Isn't
What
it
is
beautiful, the creek down there?
that? Yeah. Oh, come on, this way.
Okay.
I see a little house down here. There might be some bugs in there. Let's knock on the door. Nope, just a little spider web house. See you? Sorry, it's really dark in there. But I'm gonna climb this tree and see if there's anything on there. And also in the comments, say if Kiki at my house is really cute. And actually, my dad called me last night, and she said that she's getting bigger. So after these 3 days in New Jersey, we're gonna go to New Jersey. After the 3 days in New Jersey, I'm going to go home, and maybe we'll make a video when I'm on the airplane, a short little video. But it might be a regular vlog, but I'll see you when I get home. Okay, is there anything? Let me pull on the rock, actually, because I'm gonna get hurt. Maybe. Okay, let me see if this is sturdy for me. It might not be too sturdy, but let me try like holding it and like pushing it down. And holding it. Let me put my cap right here. And try climbing. down. I am a very high place right now, but I think I can get down by just jumping down. But let me see. I am not a really good climber, but let me get down. So that's mostly me just climbing, but I think there's something. Nope, that's good. Let's come up here. Let's see this little house. Can you hold on to the cap while I go and climb up this tree with the camera? I'm gonna climb up this tree. Okay. Let's see if there's anyone home. See anybody? Nope, I don't. Let's get down from here. Here, my mom is gonna hold the camera for you. Okay, let's go in the grassy area or over here. Let me try crossing over a place where there's been known to be bunny rabbits over here. Come on, cameraman, let's cross. You can cross. Oh, okay. Well, actually, do you guys want to come over and actually go on the rocks over there? Again, maybe see if there's any. But let's go over by the rocks, and then then we'll turn off the video because this has been a long video. Well, actually, no, we're not going to the rocks. We're just gonna have a short clip of me climbing a tree over here.
Así Pablo o así. Cuando sacamos el brazo. Ahí saca brazo.
Pero Pablo, fui Álvaro. Así.
So all I can see is this leaves up here, and thank you for watching, and bye.